Hello everyone, today this will be a video of this ceiling fan, part 1. It's a hamster camera to plus. Sorry. No, it's not going pretty fast like all the other fans probably. So I'm going to turn on medium. Medium. So yeah, that's medium. There's another hamster bay camera right here too, but I'm gonna be doing that later. So yeah, turn on high, turn bright on. Okay, so here's high. This is a pretty nice hamster bay camera. This is not a bad camera at all. Yeah, high goes pretty fast. Yeah. Show it for a few more seconds. Okay, okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
Oh, yeah.
See ya. Bye.
Goodness, that was hard. I don't know if